Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to add subtitles in CapCut PC. So first of all, what you have to do is open the CapCut. Now simply open the project in which you want to add the subtitle. You can see over here, I've already opened it. Make sure to import the video and drag it in the track. So if you want to add the subtitle, it is quite easy. What you have to do is look at top. You'll be able to find the options like media, audio, text, stickers, effects, etc. Click on the option text. Now you'll be led to the text interface. You'll be able to find the options like add text, yours, text effects, etc. If you click on the option add text, you can see over here you'll be able to add the default text. You can simply select it and drag it to the track like this. Now what you can do is simply manually enter the text over here. You can simply manually enter the subtitle like this. Or if you do not want to do that, you can also generate the auto caption. For that, what you have to do is simply click on this option, auto captions. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to select the languages. Simply select the language, click on this field. Now you'll be able to select the language, click on the language of your choice. Also, you'll be able to find other options like bilingual caption, identity filler words, etc. Simply click on this option, generate. Now wait for a while. It might take a couple of minutes. Now you can see over here automatically the subtitle will be added. If you play the video, you'll be able to see the subtitle over here. You can also edit the subtitle if you want. What you can do is simply click on the subtitle that you want to edit. Once you do that, you'll be able to edit from here. Simply click over here and you'll be able to edit. So like this, the subtitle will be added. Now you can simply export the video with the added subtitle. So that is how you add subtitles in CapCut PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.